Hi, I'm Ira, and I'm going to talk a little bit about Isomars Technoart technical drawing pens. So the next thing that's sort of fun is to fill these with different color inks. The nice thing about this is, unlike a pre-filled marker or pen of any kind, there are many other things that you can put in here. Now these are filled with watercolor. These happen to be watercolor inks, but it could just simply be watercolor. You can get your favorite tube of whatever brand of watercolor you like, add some water to it until it's the consistency of just water, and you've got watercolor pens. And you can also do the same thing with acrylic paint, but again, it has to be thin. It can't be thick, or it will not flow through some of these really fine points. All right, so you can sort of see how nice that is, and you can again get different shades of color by running the lines far apart, like this, or you can double them up and create, and then you can of course also crosshatch. You'll notice I close the pens, I don't leave them open. Air is the enemy, and if we close them, these are designed to keep the enemy away. Let's see what we got here. Yes, it is. It's red. So I think there you go. You can sort of see we can do the exact same thing with this. Now, because these are watercolors, and this ink, the black ink, is now dry, wherever I put these, it doesn't move the black. The black stays in place. And finally, another thing that's sort of cool to do is, instead of working with black, you can do your drawings with just sepia color. You know, it's a little softer than black, creates a really nice effect. You can get lacquer-based inks that are waterproof, that are sepia, and this happens to be a watercolor, but if you stick with waterproof, then you can also put your washes on top of the sepia ink instead of the black ink, and it creates a nice softer kind of a look.